Wow, look at this. Oh, you don't look at that. Sorry, you don't look at that at all. But I've just yesterday I found a route to Banwad. Banwad is Patong's major water catchment area. It's been dry for decades. Well, dryish, you know. They've had a lot of crises. Like just prior to COVID. Oh my goodness. Just prior to COVID, it was seriously dry. Anyway, I'll switch you around so you're not looking at this ugly thing and look at this look at that. There's all the islands. Just down at the bottom there is Banwad, which previously you had to go all the way around that mountain down there. It took about, well, for ages, but I mean in Phuket terms, this is very quick, about half an hour. Well, not even that. Now, look at this. I saw this on satellite. I saw it with my drone first. Then I looked at the satellite map, which of course the track is under forest. But what they do is they have some workers who obviously see there's a track, knows the track there, because they see from starting one end and out the other end, and they draw a line on it. They actually draw a line on it if you zoom in. So it's dirt track. Then is mud. Well, it will be in dry season. There's an eagle. Again, loads of them around here. Lots of eagles in the sky and lots of crows. I don't think they're ravens, I think they're crows. I'm not sure. Actually, no, I'm thinking on that they're ravens. I'll check it out later. That could be a raven. No, I think it's an eagle. Anyway, now it's bitumen, and look what they're doing. This is going to be a major road through. Now they're lucky here because this is rock. That's going to be okay, even at the top. They might have to retain it a little bit, but and that's rock. Down there, he's really happy. Probably because he lives on the other side, and now he's got a really fast route to Phuket town. These are, look what they're doing. Fast workers. They're building the road. They're knocking down jungle bits. That there is going to be a serious problem. We're going to have to retain that with some concrete, because that will landslide onto the road. That. Look at that. That's pretty, isn't it? Oh, what's down here? Oh, a riverbed. Oh, water. Fantastic. This guy that's just passed me on his old bike is just smiling like hell. He's really happy because it's gorgeous. Look at it. It's just fantastic, man. It's just beautiful. I want to get my drone up. These guys don't mind, don't care. But I'm more interested in getting down to the road in Banwad. It's beautiful. Look, you know, don't complain about the lack of sun. If the sun was out, you wouldn't see this rich depth of these, hundreds of shades and colours of green. And the red soil. Anyway, they're serious business. This could be a main thoroughfare, quick, between Patong and Phuket. It'll be totally transformed in a few months. There's a lot to do because back there is a big long trek of mud. Not long, kilometre or so. Anyway, everything changes, and everything changes fast sometimes. This is a bit noisy. I'm getting out of here. Anyway, fantastic.